So, am I enough? Am I perfect in the eyes of others? Am I that beautiful and sexy? But later on, I realized that it's
Sa likod
not
kining isa,
about
pwede siya mulingkod.
the facade of oneself. It's about how you carry yourself to others, how you influence and carry them to your advocacy. And if I would have that chance to choose, it would always be confidence. Because wherever I go, wherever place on this world I live, I will always have that in my mind, that I am beautiful, I am enough, and I am the beauty that the others are looking for. For everyone, please, if you cannot respect us, if you cannot love us, at least in your own small ways, please have sense of trust. Because in this life, in this cycle of life, we are not here to damage the circle of life. We are here to make you happy and to make the rainbow fly as long as we can. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. What an answer, candidate number 5. All ba, Agnes? Medyo ko. Alright, let's now call back candidate number 4. How did you feel the Candidate Awards?
Actually, I'm very blessed and grateful, first and foremost, because we have arrived here safe and sound. And I am very much grateful for the judges for seeing the potential in me. Thank you very much.
I was just speechless looking at you ladies. You are very beautiful tonight. Wala mo ilabot diha. Charis. Especially to our judges. Are you ready to answer your question?
Never not ready.
Hello, candidate number 4.
Hello,
Pasensya na itong tingog Wala rin sa picture lang. Ayan, you're so pretty.
Thank you very much.
O siya'y sekreto nga ano yung anak ko tagwapa kayo. Di siya kaya pasyon dahil. Itagay ko doha ka tip ba? Doha ka tip, ano yung anak ka tagwapa?
I would always say that the secret for a beautiful life is always a happy life.
Oo ba? Hindi, wow. Kaya, kayo. Mga tawa ka kay Kadlaw na baya. Okay, here's your question, candidate number 4. Actually, related niyo siya sa Barangay Abunda. I know you can answer this. If you could start one project for the community of Barangay Abunda, sakop sa municipality of Magsaysay, what would it be and why is it important? Baliko na ako. Pwede niyo mo ito bagong Bisaya, Bisagon sa Tagalog or English. If you could start one project for the community of Barangay Abunda, what would it be and why it is important?
Okay, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Abunda is located in the municipality of Magsaysay, and I would use this platform to inform and give fact to everyone that there is one barangay here in Magsaysay, which is Barangay Tama, that have preserved the culture, the heritage, the traditions, most especially the language. That is a living testament that Magsaysay have truly stand for preservation. And I want to use that aspect here in Barangay Abunda, using this platform to teach everyone on how to preserve our culture, our heritage, our identity. Because through that identity, we stand as one Barangay Abunda. And that serves as our staple in different barangays, not just here in Magsaysay, but the rest of Misamis Oriental. And I would use my voice as a tourism ambassadress, that I would be able to promote not just preservation here in Barangay Abunda, but the rest of our community. So people would give value to our tourism, our source of employment for the people, not just for our farmers. Because I always believe that through preservation, we can stand in one identity that it greatly benefits the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. May I call you candidate question will be coming from Miss Maria. So I will not take it long anymore. Please, paminaw na sa ibang question.
Good evening, candidate number 8.
Good evening, Miss Beautiful.
How are you?
I'm actually nervous, but at the same time, I am blessed that I was chosen one of the top 5 tonight. So thank you to our board of judges, and thank you also to the people of Barangay Abunda for a very welcoming. Thank you so much.
Correct. So, this is your question. Do you believe that beauty is a gift or a responsibility? And why? Again, do you believe that beauty is a gift or a responsibility? Why?
I believe that beauty is a gift, and I believe that beauty symbolizes the image of positive change and resiliency. Ladies and gentlemen, we, the LGBT, are the example of the beautiful people, and that is a gift. We, the LGBT, are the multifaceted individuals in the world, and we are a perfect combination of a strength of a man and strength of a woman combined into one. And here we are, willing to learn, willing to share, and willing to love, and above all, willing to sacrifice. And that is something that I want to emulate to the people of Barangay Abunda, that life is so, that is something that I want to emulate to Barangay Abunda. That life is not just a celebration. Life is full of meaning. So we need to use our existence to inspire and uplift others so that we can live a life with full of love. Allow me to end my answer with a very powerful word that describes the beginning of life, and that is love. Amor Vincent Unia, love conquers all. Maayong gabi.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Candidate number 3. Ready or not, this is your final question.
Hello guys, good evening.
Nakailahi.
Yes ma'am.
Ganahan ko sa inyong beauty.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Anyway, the question goes like this. It is better to follow your heart or your mind, and why? I repeat, it is better to follow your heart or your mind, and why?
Is it better to follow?
I believe that it is better to follow your heart. Because in a world where ignorance is considered as a bliss, I think it is really important to seek knowledge and understanding, because life is a continuous learning. As a student in life, we should always learn from our experiences, and our experiences should inspire us and whatever plans we have in our future. And I hope that together as a community, we can cultivate an environment where everyone is accepted and everyone can drive their love without fear, hatred, and discrimination. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3. Dili na ito mag-advise candidate number 7. Okay. Pirtin itong singutan. Alright? Mamigaya, please do the honor.
Tol, basta tol. Iligini sa me one time. Para. Here's your question. If you're given a chance to change the color of the floor walks. Charlie. Final question ha. Being a part of the LGBTQ+ community requires courage and authenticity. What does being your true self mean to you, and how has it shaped the person you are today? Again, being a part of the LGBTQ+ community requires courage and authenticity. What does being your true self mean to you, and how has it shaped the person you are today?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Direct to the point, in my 19 years experience in this world, I have experienced discrimination, marginalization, and criticism just because of the gender identity I choose to possess. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, for me, the true version, meaning of yourself is you are showcasing yourself that regardless of the discrimination, marginalization, and criticism, you will be able to show up and be invisible. Just like me, ladies and gentlemen, as what I have said, as a discrimination victim, still I am here standing in front of you, confidently beautiful, and I know I am. Even other people would say I am not beautiful. But yet, because of the confidence I possess, I can truly realize and being able to emphasize myself that I am beautiful. And how it shaped my personality. When I was 5 years old, I was very hesitant. I was preschool at that time. Actually, taas na ko buhok man since sa bata pa ko. Pero, because of the fear of the discrimination that is totally happening, even before pa, nahaglok din ko like, yun lang din ko eskwela. Because of the discrimination, kay mahaglok man ko. But yet, pagtungtong na ko grade 1, I was 6 years old, I totally realized that because of the love of my parents and my family, even though I am LGBTQIA+ community, I totally realized that we as an LGBT, we are totally celebrated. And pinapaspas na, when I was in high school, the two nagsugod ko beauty pageant. So, sa connection, na-realize na ko ang akong self na unique ko din sa kalibutan. That is why I have the ability and capacity to show myself that even though I am not that fully transitioned yet, I am here standing in front of you. Nalipay ba ang Barangay Abunda? So that itself is one of the contributions of the LGBTQIA+ community. So there is no reason that you, the straight community, will be able to discriminate as an LGBT. Because as what candidate number 8 said, that we as an LGBT are the combination of a critical thinking of a man and logical and emotional thinking of a woman. Maayong gabi ni Barangay Abunda, Grasyahan kita ni Senyor San Jose. Viva, viva, viva. Happy Fiesta.